Hi, in this segment, I'll show how Cascade supports testing and debugging workflows, two of the most time-consuming and critical parts of software development. Cascade isn't just a tool for generating or understanding code. It also plays a key role in ensuring that code works as expected. It helps developers catch issues early by identifying areas with poor test coverage, generating unit tests automatically, and even assisting with test execution and troubleshooting. This dramatically reduces time spent in repetitive trial and error loops and helps ensure that core functionality is reliably tested before release. Let's look at how Cascade handles testing. Cascade can run the testing suite in our application, and if a particular test or test suite fails, Cascade doesn't just flag the error. It reads the test output, analyzes the failure, and identifies the root cause. In many cases, it can offer a fix or go ahead and apply one. In this example, Cascade detects that the test failure isn't caused by a bug in the function itself, but by incorrect assumptions in the test. It rewrites the test case, runs the suite again, and confirms that everything now passes. This kind of fast feedback loop helps developers resolve issues without digging through logs or stepping through code manually. Cascade also supports more proactive quality control. First, it can scan your project and highlight where tests are missing, whether that's untested functions, conditional branches, or entire modules. Based on its understanding of the code's logic and structure, it then generates relevant test cases to validate expected behaviors and edge cases. In fast-moving projects, it's common for some logic pads to go untested. Cascade can use both source code analysis and integration with tools like test coverage reporters to flag these blind spots. You can then work with Cascade to add tests incrementally, boosting overall coverage with minimal effort. In this case, Cascade has recognized that there are a number of functions that have gone untested. It highlights the function names, proposes the test cases to write, and even adds them to our testing suite and runs them. Cascade transforms how developers approach testing. From automatically writing unit tests, to debugging failures, to surfacing untested code, it acts like a tireless testing partner. And here's the big vision. Instead of interrupting your workflow to write tests, Cascade can handle that in the background, writing tests as you build features. That means you can stay focused on what matters most, while still building with quality in mind. It's a smarter, faster, more integrated approach to testing, and it's built into every step of the Cascade experience.